Hello, I'm Bob Paget and I'm exploring inland waterways. Today I'm near Ebley Mill, this superb building over here. So let's just have a look at this. Often described as the Cathedral of the Cotswolds, is one of the finest stone-built mills in the country and now the headquarters of Stroud District Council. The Cotswold Long Mill building housed 5 water wheels, and this key location on the River Frome supplied water power from all of Stroud's 5 valleys. And here were the unashamed addition of brick for strength and decoration. And of course, wherever you look here is this magnificent, soft Cotswold stone. J.B. Priestley once described Cotswold stone as retaining the lost sunlight of centuries. Welsh slate for the roof would have been delivered to site by the Stroudwater Navigation, which was abandoned in 1954. A 1957 flood prevention scheme saw the destruction of the canal through Ebley, and stream water from 3 valleys channelled into the River Frome near Dubbridge Meadows. Stroud District Council became the lead partner in restoring the Cotswold Canals, and have transformed an area of derelict industrial buildings into a place to work, to visit and to live. To deal with the additional floodwater from Slad, Painswick and Ruscombe, flood prevention gates had to be constructed and discharge and overflow weirs built, together with a migratory fish and eel pass. As a 6-year-old, this was the last place I fished for sticklebacks and tadpoles. Stones and building debris surrounded the original swingbridge, and fish were stranded in pools of water. By 1982, the mill, renowned for fine textiles and West of England cloth, had closed, unable to compete with cheap imports. All could have been lost, but Stroud District Council transformed the building between 1987 and 1990. The legacy of Samuel Stevens Marling lives on in local education with the grammar school and with Selsley Church, also designed by Bodley in French Gothic style. It contains impressive design work by William Morris, Dante Gabriel Rossetti and Edward Burne-Jones. A parish church, funded by a cloth baronet, stands proudly overlooking the Cathedral of Cloth.